Well, hello everyone. Once again, this is Ray Aslin, trainer at Fortinet. If you're watching this video, chances are you've heard me say my name several times. You guys know where I work and what I do. So I'm going to get straight to the point. I just wanted to create a small follow-up video on AWS Lab6, which was the auto-scaling lab. During AWS Lab6, we went to deploy the 2.0.8 release of the CloudFormation template for auto scaling on GitHub, and we experienced an issue. We found that in 2.0.8, there was a problem where the second ENI, the second Elastic Network Interface, was not always being deployed. And I went back and I deployed 2.0.7 and I found, the problem wasn't occurring there. And there were some inconsistencies. Sometimes the second ENI wouldn't deploy at all in 2.0.8. Sometimes it was only on one of the VMs. The auto scale function seemed to work, but the second ENI wasn't there. So very shortly after I got off the phone with you guys, I went out to GitHub and I went to issues and created a new issue. That was, I believe, the day before yesterday is when I made that video and when I reported that bug. And I just wanted to show you guys that you yourselves could log into GitHub. You will have to create an account on GitHub. The account that I used doesn't actually identify me as a Fortinet employee. So just so you're clear, I didn't get this fixed really fast because I'm a Fortinet employee. I just created an account with the Gmail address. I wanted to give you kind of the customer experience of what that looks like. And what it was when 2.0.8 was the newest version, I went out to issues. And currently you'll see there are 0 open issues. We'll go find mine under closed issues here in a second, but I created a new issue and I put in a title and a comment, and I was as specific as possible. I basically specified this is the version of the image that I'm using. This is the CloudFormation template that I deployed. Here's the region that I deployed in, the availability zones, just so there was no confusion about what I had tried to do. And in fact, here in a second, let's go to closed issues and you can find my report. Here we go. This was me by Ray AA3, R-A-Y AA3, closed 17 hours ago. 2.0.8 AWS CloudFormation template autoscale with new VPC and no transit gateway, because there are other versions of the templates that use existing VPCs or deploy with transit gateway. Fails to deploy private ENI for FortiGate EC instances. Really, I should have put an EC2, but I guess I kind of goofed that up. I listed that, and within the same day, perhaps even an hour later, I got, hey, this is a known issue. We will publish a fix. So probably I wasn't the first person to report that, I would guess. And that was 17 hours ago. I got a notification, and I get these notifications in email that said, hey, we fixed this in 2.0.9. And indeed, there is a 2.0.9 release now. Let me go backwards another screen. Here we go. List of releases. AWS second ENI related bug fix. So I just wanted to let you guys know that we did get that issue resolved. Don't deploy 2.0.8 or you'll see exactly what I saw. Most likely anyway, and go look at 2.0.9. Now, full disclosure, I have not gone out and deployed 2.0.9. In the time period that this was released, I was also working on creating Azure videos for you. So I've done the Azure Video Lab 1, 2, and 3. I haven't had a chance to go back and visit this, and I probably won't get the opportunity before these videos are published on our training webpage. But I do want you to understand that you can go and report an issue, and that issue can be resolved. Just as I said, be as specific as you can, and then monitor your emails or come back and look at the issue. For replies, you might get asked for additional information. The more information you give or the more specific you are, the easier it is for them to find what happened and resolve what happened. Well, very good. I'm going to go ahead and stop this video now. This will be the very last of the AWS Lab videos. The remaining videos should be Microsoft Azure videos. Today is Friday, September 11th. I hope to have these videos completed by the end of the day and have these published to the course very soon. So hopefully you have not waited any longer than perhaps September 18th or so to be able to view these videos. I know there's a lot of folks listening to my voice right now that had to wait a while to get to these. I'm sorry that you had to wait so long, but we're going to have them out for you just as soon as possible. Thanks a lot.